Hey, so I want to do a room tour of the refurbished Quarter Orleans French Quarter rooms that we're staying at this week. So you can see the beds here. There's two queen beds with very nice headboards, very themed to the French Quarter. There's a table, and you can see I grabbed some dinner. Hey. There's a nice big window. I have it closed right now because it's nighttime. There's a TV. And there's a nice dresser. It has a built-in refrigerator. Let's open it up. You can see. Built-in fridge. Some art. There's a bench. A coat rack. Bathroom has a double sink with some nice theming on it. A closet area with a fabric divider. Not as nice as the last place we stayed. Okay, again. Bathroom has a full tub with a shower and the built-in toiletries. So overall, it's a very nice room, and I'll be very happy to stay here for the next few days. So yeah, thanks for coming by.